And NASA astronaut Jessica Meir now being moved into that crew lock portion of the International Space Station by NASA astronaut Jack Hathaway, who you can see there on the bottom of your screen, as well as European Space Agency astronaut Sophie Adano a little further back. NASA astronaut Jack Hathaway on the left there, continuing to work on NASA astronaut Chris Williams and then move him into the crew lock. Back inside the equipment lock, we are getting views of NASA astronaut Chris Williams as he makes his way back inside the International Space Station following repressurization between the hatches. And now coming back through the equipment lock is NASA astronaut Jessica Meir. And we do see that Meir's helmet is off as well, as is NASA astronaut Chris Williams. Today's spacewalk was the 278th in support of station maintenance assembly and upgrades. Again, the first out of the station for this year and the first for Expedition 74. The fourth spacewalk of Meir's career. She now has a total of 28 hours and 46 minutes of spacewalking time. The first for Williams, 7 hours and 2 minutes under his belt. And in total, during the International Space Station's time of spacewalks, we have 73 days, 8 hours, and 28 minutes of total spacewalking time.